I tried flipping a $2 account into something meaningful in less than 24 hours, seeing if possible I could use the money to probably buy a Lambo. Sound impossible, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn a $2 amount into a Lambo. A spoiler alert, things didn't really go as planned. What's up guys, happy new year to everyone. Welcome back to Life of Blues and Trade with Mo, and this is our very first video for the year. So if you're new to this page and this is the very first time of seeing this wonderful, fun and exciting page, don't fail to give us a like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on the adventure and all the trading journey and how you can improve in your trading. Well, why $2? I wanted to see if it's actually possible to flip a small amount into something really reasonable. So I decided to try $2. My first initial plan was probably to try the $1 amount to see if it's possible, but because of the broker I use, the way my strategy works, I know that it's going to be almost impossible for me to achieve what I wanted, because the moment I place a trade, commission would probably have taken half of the amount. So I needed something a bit more reasonable, which I decided for $2 or a bit above $2, as you can see the amount on my screen. The plan for this was just to stay extremely disciplined to my plan, which was looking for a perfect setup. And trust me, if you're a trader and you trade small accounts, you know that trading in really small amounts is one of the most difficult tasks you can do. It's basically like you punishing yourself. I was equal for the tax. I felt like I was really equal and my strategy was on point and I could actually give it a try. Well, the trading plan was simple. Now, online on social media, I know you have seen a lot of your gurus, the way they are flipping multiple accounts. Sometimes I'll just be swiping on Instagram and I'll see a lot of people doing some mad flip. So I just wanted to see if it's possible for me to implement the same thing using my strategy. I know that I needed a scalping strategy that was perfect for execution, precise and deadly effects on the market. The goal was simple: risk it all, because I know from the beginning that from the very first start, my first trade will either make the account or destroy it. I was solid on my risks. This was the exact strategy I had in place. I was looking to trade where there was high volume in the market, either it was in London or New York session. As long as there's volume in the market, I was looking to go in. And what other pair are you to trade when the volume is high, if not the almighty destroyer? I know I had one chance, so I needed to get to work and start seeing if I could look for the possible and best setup which the market can provide. Strategy was simple: buy when the price is trending on a direction with high volume and sell when the price is dipping with high volume. So I stick to gold and GJ. That was just the two pairs I was looking at to trade. Probably GJ for London session and gold for New York session, or if I can see any setup in between, I was just looking to trade the market with a lot of volume or whatever the market was telling me at that time. After several waits and gambling around and looking at the chart, I finally saw my entry, and my first entry was on gold. And I was looking at my stop and risks. Should I take it or should I not take it? I was able to have a stop loss less than 10 pips. I think my stop loss was around 5 or 4 pips, and that was my stop loss, and I executed on the trade. Instantly, I was in profit and I was so excited about this trade. And in space of minutes, the account was at $22. So for a second, I had to quickly go to my calculator and do some addition and subtract. I had to do some multiplication and division and stuff. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I just went to my calculator to see what is $22 to naira, and it was around 33,000 or 34,000, just thereabout. I was looking to withdraw everything, but then again, that greedy spirit in every man came out of me. I was like, bro, he just flipped a $2 to $22. Go harder or go home. Come on. So I waited patiently and I saw another golden setup not long after the first setup, and I went all in again, and successfully I took the account from $20 to around $40, which I closed. I was looking to enter my third trade but I couldn't find any trade at that point, so I managed in just placing 2 trades. My goal was to probably take the $2 to around $400,000 or $250,000 so I could get a Lambo, but that wasn't possible. But we go hard next time. For the next one, I'm going to be documenting the entire journey, and I'm going to try and see if I can flip a $20 or $25 into over 100k in a space of months, which I'm going to be documenting everything on my free Telegram and also my paid channel for exact entry, because on the paid channel we're going to be going live every single day looking for opportunities in the market. So it's better for you to catch the trade with me live than you to place it with the signal. Do you understand what I mean? So I'm going to be dropping the link. The link is in my description. Just click the link in my description and join my page. It's all free for everyone. So this year has a lot to offer us, and I'm going to do a lot of flipping in the coming days, just show you guys what is possible and what is not possible. And do not gamble your money. Do not gamble. Do trade what you have to risk. Like the money you have to risk, that's the only thing you should be trading all the time. So see you guys in our next one. Don't forget to give us a like, share, and subscribe for more. Peace.